How do you feel today? Let's learn how to express emotions in English. Happy. Happy. She felt happy when she passed the exam. Sad. Sad. He was sad after watching the movie. Angry. Angry. I get angry when people lie to me. Excited. Excited. The children were excited about the trip. Scared. Scared. She was scared of the dark. Nervous. Nervous. He felt nervous before his job interview. Tired. Tired. I am too tired to go out tonight. Relaxed. Relaxed. She feels relaxed after a warm bath. Confused. Confused. I was confused by the teacher's question. Surprised. Surprised. We were surprised by the party. Bored. Bored. He looked bored during the meeting. Lonely. Lonely. She felt lonely after moving to a new city. Proud. Proud. I'm proud of my students' hard work. Ashamed. Ashamed. He was ashamed of his behavior. Disappointed. Disappointed. They were disappointed with the results. Grateful. Grateful. I am grateful for your help. Hopeful. Hopeful. She is hopeful about the future. Jealous. Jealous. He felt jealous when his friend bought a new car. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. I was embarrassed when I fell in public. Confident. Confident. She feels confident in her English skills. Anxious. Anxious. I feel anxious before giving a speech. Curious. Curious. The kids are curious about how planes fly. Shocked. Shocked. We were shocked by the bad news. Calm. Calm. Try to stay calm in stressful situations. Delighted. Delighted. I was delighted to see you again. Frustrated. Frustrated. He felt frustrated with the slow internet. Stressed. Stressed. I get stressed before exams. Relieved. Relieved. She was relieved when the test was over. Confident. Confident. He sounded confident during the presentation. Amazed. Amazed. I was amazed by the mountain view. Satisfied. Satisfied. She felt satisfied after finishing her project. Fearful. Fearful. He was fearful of losing his job. Shocked. Shocked. We were shocked by the storm. Pleased. Pleased. I'm pleased with your progress. Homesick. Homesick. She felt homesick while studying abroad. Energetic. Energetic. He feels energetic after his morning run. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. I was overwhelmed by all the work. Disgusted. Disgusted. She was disgusted by the smell. Awkward. Awkward. The silence made the situation awkward. Hopeful. Hopeful. I'm still hopeful about the outcome. Depressed. Depressed. He felt depressed after losing his job. Cheerful. Cheerful. She's always cheerful in the mornings. Irritated. Irritated. I get irritated when people interrupt me. Shocked. Shocked. They were shocked by his decision. Grateful. Grateful. We are grateful for your kindness. Afraid. Afraid. She is afraid of snakes. Confused. Confused. I'm confused about what to do next. Hopeful. Hopeful. He is hopeful things will get better. Excited. Excited. I'm excited for the weekend. Calm. Calm. Meditation helps me stay calm. Good job. Now you can talk about your feelings. Next, let's learn daily action verbs in English.